Hello and welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create or add a new user in your Linux system. So if you're using a Linux server or if you're using a Linux desktop environment, so it will help you in both scenarios. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a new user using the user add command. So basically, Linux is a multi-user system. So that means that more than one person can interact with the same system simultaneously. So suppose multiple people use one system, so it would be best to create a new user account for each person to ensure their security and privacy. So there are two general type of user in Linux. The first one is the regular users created by the administrator, and the second is system user created by the system and the applications, so it can use and run the services. So let's add a user who can access this particular server. So right now I am inside of my virtual box. I have installed the Ubuntu, and this is my terminal. So I'm going to show you how we can add a new user. So it will be name Alex. So let me just type sudo because I'm going to change the user to root, and it will give us the root permission if you use sudo. Then I'm going to type user add Alex. So this is the command that will going to add this particular user Alex. So if I hit enter, it will ask me for the system password. So type the password. Okay, and the user is now created. So now we can verify that the user was created or not. So to do that, we can type again sudo id Alex and then hit enter. So it's saying that user ID 1001 Alex, okay, and group ID is 1001. So this user is now created. So if you relog in, you will find this user, but this particular user can't access the system now because we didn't have any password. So what we are going to do, we are going to put a password for this particular user. So how we can do that? So we are going to type sudo again, then type password passwd, not the password. Okay, to change the password, this is the command. So then the user that we have created. So let's type Alex. Now it's asking for new password. So I'm going to just type the password over here for that particular user. Okay, so let me just type. Okay, now it's asking to confirm that particular password. Okay, so it's saying that password updated successfully, means the user name Alex, okay, his password is created successfully. So the another way to create a user in your Linux desktop environment is go to the setting, then go to the users over here. You will find the two user that currently assigned in my computer right now. This is the my account that I'm using right now, and this is the user that I have created. So to make any changes, you have to put your password first over here. After that, there will be a option. As you can see, it's coming as add user. You can click on that, then you can put a name that you wanted to create. So let's say I wanted to create a user called Sam. You can put a password over here, and if you wanted to make this particular user administrator, you can do that. But right now I'm not going to do that. I'm going to create a standard user and then click add. Now you can see there are 3 users in my system. Okay, so this is how you can create user in Linux system. If you learned anything from this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.